Assalamualaikum. Good morning. This is Dr. Sherbano and very excited to show you the results and the patient of our famous Regenera Activa treatment, which is a progenitor stem cell treatment. I have a patient and he's coming and seeing me after how long?
4 years.
4 saal baad. So after 4 years, he's back again for another session of the Regenera Activa. Tell me about your experience and how do you find the results?
Very surprised actually. This treatment has actually my thinning was quite big in 2019, and I could not believe that now my hair are still presentable after 4 years.
Very good, mashallah.
Yeah, and I'm just coming here just to refresh it. Otherwise, I'm still going good.
Good. That's a good news.
Yeah.
That's a very good news.
Yeah.
That's exactly the feedback that we wanted to share with you guys about the longevity of this procedure. So let's repeat it and let's do it again.